The Shiba Inu coin is readying for a massive 250M token burn shortly ahead, sparking optimism over a huge SHIB rally by this Christmas. In a bid to uplift market sentiment, Shiba Inu coin's community appears to be preparing for a staggering 250 million token burn. On Friday, a renowned trader within the SHIB community revealed that the 1 Cent Dream project strives to achieve the above-mentioned endeavor. Simultaneously, crypto market traders and investors are eyeing huge gains in the dog-themed meme crypto's price by this Christmas. Shiba Inu coin's community eyes 250M token burn by 1 Cent Dream project. In an X post by SHIB Night dated 6 December, the crypto trader notified that the Shiba Inu coin's community is preparing for a 250M token burn today. Notably, this token burn is to be conducted by the 1 Cent Dream project. For context, the dog-themed meme crypto's burn mechanism reduces the token's circulating supply, bolstering market dynamics. It's also noteworthy that CoinGate Media reported previously that the meme coin already witnessed massive SHIB burns, adding to bullishness surrounding future price movements. Notably, the bullish projections are primarily attributed to the law of supply and demand, reflecting price gains remain imminent with reducing supply. Simultaneously, a stockpile of other events has further paved a bullish path for the crypto, indicating strong gains by this Christmas. SHIB price to $0.00005 by year-end. Despite the optimistic news, SHIB price cracked nearly 6% intraday and reached $0.0000296. Its 24-hour low and high were $0.0000291 and $0.0000323, respectively. Nevertheless, weekly and monthly charts for the token showcased gains worth 19% and 58%, respectively. The broader momentum indicates an ongoing bull run for the meme coin amid a broader bullish Q4 crypto market. Simultaneously, a recent Shiba Inu price analysis by CoinGate Media flagged that a $0.0000545 price target for the meme coin looms by 31st December. This bullish anticipation comes against the backdrop of highly optimistic market technicals, including a bullish relative strength index, RSI, and MACD. Market watchers continue to monitor the coin for further gains in light of the above-mentioned market dynamics. Additionally, the looming launch of the TREAT token, a revolutionary measure for Shibrium, has added to market optimism surrounding the dog-themed meme coin's future. The crypto's lead developer, Satoshi Kusama, pointed out the previous month that TREAT token launch lies shortly ahead. Should the new token launch this year-end, the Shiba Inu coin could see further significant upside momentum. Also, Kusama hinted that the Shifu coin launch lies shortly ahead, adding a layer of intrigue to future price movements. Notably, Shifu is a coin backed by SHIB developers. Crypto market participants continue to monitor the Ethereum-based meme token for further price shifts amid the latest ecosystem developments.